It's breakfast time here at the Grand Duluk or Dulak, and looks like the food is looking good for breakfast. They have sushi, they have cheeses, they have salad, they have a nice kitchen, they have so much breads, many hot foods to choose from. Yes, you have to close everything to make sure they're hot. They have shomai, or different kinds of shomai. They have bacon. They have all kinds of sausages. They have ham. And is this we can have this for breakfast? Yeah, we can have that for breakfast. Where is it? Oh, this one here. Ah, okay, that's good. Ah, imagine, for breakfast. This is amazing. All right. The breakfast place looks like. Okay, wow. Everything's being served. That's good. It's better actually at night. It looks elegant, but in the morning, it's still okay. And good looking eggs Benedict for breakfast. Naman si Madam Berna hindi makakain, no? Kasi masama ang tiyan. Ha? Wala kang makain? Oh, upo ka na rito. Wala akong kasama rito.
Tinitingnan ko, wala rin papaya.
Wala rin papaya. Okay. Vietnamese coffee. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-coffee, Mama Berna. Lalong sasama ang tiyan mo.
Pinapal ka ang papaya.
Yung papaya hinahanap. Papaya daw.
Papaya.
Oo, sumama ang tiyan eh.
No papaya.
Oo, naku.
Can
Bili na tayo.
You have apple. They said there's apple.
Tawa ka naman, Mama Berna. Ano yan? Hard-boiled egg? Masama kasi tiyan mo eh, di ba? Ang tummy mo, Mama. How's your tummy? Improving? Okay. Ano sasabi mo, Berna? Yan? Yung pwedeng orderin? Pakita mo nga sa akin.
Menu.
Yung menu, pwede mong orderin kahit alin ang gusto mo dyan? That's good. Close up ko nga. Aside from the buffet breakfast, you can order here, egg selection, fried eggs, boiled eggs, eggs omelette, eggs Benedict. Galing may western, traditional selection. May Vietnamese din, Yun pala in-order mo sa akin, yung pho. And you have coffee. Di ba boutique hotel to? Ang ano niya, ang presentation niya parang 5-star hotel na rin, Pero boutique hotel lang to, di ba? Answer. Yeah, okay. Pala siyang vegetarian menu, Kung vegetarian ka, Galing, Kompleto siya, Yan, ganda service. Parang kanya pala medyo may kamahalan din tong hotel na to, Usok na yan. Anong in-order mo? Boiled potatoes? Ha? Apple? Apple boiled? Pinaboil ni Berna yung apple, Wow. Masama nga talaga yung tiyan mo. Gusto ko yung kanyang pag ito tumulo, magandang tulo nito, magandang luto. Ayun. Maganda ang luto niya. Very good, chef. Ayos. Tumutulo ang kanyang yolk. Yes, getting some fruits. Yan. Anong klaseng prutas kinuha mo? Konti lang yung fruits kinuha mo. Okay. Naiwan dito. Nagliligpit na sila, Alright. Berna, kita pala yung St. Joseph's Cathedral dito, Ayan, Ganda rin itong hotel, yun nga lang, everything is small, di ba? Yan, buong buo yung St. Joseph's Cathedral, Gothic Church. Room. Yan, maliit lang yung kwarto namin, pero it's doable. Nagre-request ng late checkout si Berna. Okay, thank you for watching.